It's a Wednesday in late summer. Wildfire smoke has been drifting into the region since the weekend. The AQI, the Air Quality Index, is sitting at 178 in the unhealthy range for everyone, not just sensitive groups. At Tempest Elementary in the Windy Bridge School District, the principal checks an air quality app before the morning bell. Based on what she sees, she moves outdoor PE and recess inside and sends a quick note to families explaining why. At another school in the next district over, nobody checks. Kids are running laps outside during second period, and a student with asthma ends up in the nurse's office by 10 a.m. It's the same air, but schools experience very different outcomes, and the difference comes down to whether anyone was paying attention. Poor outdoor air quality isn't just a wildfire problem. Traffic, industrial activity, agricultural burning, pollen, and weather patterns can all push pollutant levels into ranges that affect lung health in urban and rural areas alike. And unlike some of the environmental health risks we've covered in this course, outdoor air quality can change dramatically from one day to the next, which means the systems schools put in place to monitor and respond to it need to be equally sensitive and consistent. In this lesson, we'll cover what's actually in the air on a bad air quality day, how the EPA's Air Quality Index works as a practical decision-making tool, and what a school-based outdoor air quality awareness program looks like in practice, including how building management strategies can help protect indoor air even when outdoor conditions are poor.